Hi everyone. Good afternoon. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Very quick one. Well, I say I put your music here as well because I too love music. Also say, excuse me. Peke, my darling, how you doing, my love? How you doing? Happy Sunday, my love. Igual the music okpari yo. Music okpa, no riri. No yo. Yo no na yo. Good evening, darling. Let me share a peg. Nak bekeri. Nu bij CNA. Wanna what like music here. Happy Sunday, everyone. Let me to share a bag. Share.
Atlanta. Keep on this one. Alongside this song.
The man wanna ya kita si number. Oba no yo gbe ki oda fe. Oba na good evening, my daddy. Good evening, my daddy Joy. Good evening, my daddy.
You got mail.
Good evening, everyone. Oh, let's go. Share 'em. Music is live. I too far. That man. You know the. If I know someone when I go now, can I tell one up on for one of those salad and I swear. You say you. Agua. Shy, mama.
You say you go feel blood my way.
That's all. Imame wana ya kita sinabo. Oba no yo bi ogwe ki oda fe. Oba ne wo ma o. Share the video, my people. I don't want to do video today, but I just want to do it. Oba ne wo ma o. Yo salo bobe ya, ere ye go ipo. Oga teme na, agin moeme o. E ya gba o ta pon na ya. Oh. O salo boame polo. Bene vana gbonsalo. Bene vana gbonsaro. Ese ni uge o le no. Ogari obi okwe go iya ki o ta fe. Imami o mani ya ki e o. It's so man. Good evening, my sweetheart. It's so amazing. Baby, I need to tell you so long time ago. Abana yo gbe kin o da fe. Abana wo ma o. Share the video, my people. Abana wo ma o. Be koko. Kosagba. Here ta fe o. Si we mi nena maseti u. Woga lo yanga do ke ba pa ma o. Nei meira. Nei meije. Benu weje o geru wejeje. Baba na ifo. To na di medo pom we o. Agi mi won ma na ya we mi benu we o baba. Abana wa ko yan da fe. Oba ne wo ma o. Mami wana ya kigasi nabo. Aba ne wana o. Aje butasi no giu. This is my blood, say destiny. It's my blood. I go tell you where ma. Agije la kie, agije kie. Batali ever you do my love. La neve ruru. Era no mo nevera. Yo ije no mo neveri. Yo ta no me kai yo ime na ridegi. You know, Baba. You know, Baba. You know, no nyek peto na no maya bring. Everywhere you me, everywhere you me, everywhere you me, okay. Everywhere you me, everywhere you me, everywhere you me, oh, I see you. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Sunday to you guys. It's your one and only Mommy Suzy Suzy, aka your sexy grandma. Normally, I say today is our class. Mona, sorry, I'm not too, like, you understand, all day I have menstrual pain, so I'm not too strong like that. Maybe now, let me proceed. May you know, not even for water. My Kennedy dinner with ye, a big one drown, what you just even move on a big woman. So, this message is for Asaboro, straight, and it's also very mature, like a mother message. Asaboro. You know, say you be one person where I like. And I don't know why. I always feel for you that you don't know. Okay? Especially when you lost your mom. Good evening, sweetie. Good evening. Especially when your mama come by you a wune. Be ya. Doge we o ma easy. You say you someone on me ye. I may win the ye. Asaboro. On this social media, in many occasions, if you want to do saga, I always called you. Saboro, you don't need this. Money day, because you have a lot of things to do. Not say saga. Iya we to say me, I say me no domai, aya we me no joma. Upa, eva, ha, ne. We man wa do saga to asetik biya. We man have saga we ti asetik bowe. But I always called you. It was Saboro. Umani disagana. Everything that you are oppressive way. But for you to stay away from trouble, money there, you are a young lady. Asaboro ibetama wasaboro. No aya we saga saboro ya biye no mugume. Go and born and bring it to me. Omugo jo won mamugo jo won. Oh. Ya biye no bring it to me. I always tell you that. Even sometimes in live video, even back of the scene, even the time when him. As a responsible mother, as a sister, okay, as a friend that like you, this is the best message so far. Mona mi share and beg. No heke. Ni meari enu we. Asotioma no we mama. Ra asose no we mama. Ra asijoma no we mama. Mere life social media nana. Imagine. Asaboro megita mu wena. People that really love me dearly, they don't want me to be in a cyber space. I'm telling you the truth. They don't want it. Sometimes, iya we mama, pave manari. We polok bera manane. You get me? Polok bera manane. Iwe. You want to make a friend the voter. Igwe or mommy, I just they do all those things. Yeah, who they are just looking for you. On a social media, you get me. Sometimes, even when you work close Facebook with me, I post any your kekan. Ni why cook ba. Let's go so we do our way. Again, my ya cruise away class or give my ya. It's something we know at least. Maybe so now we are ladder social media. As a man, experience in a backbone. Or be money, my do a dear like Kevin and Roto, and have to talking on when you way. You understand? But people will not let you be on your problem because a social media when I'm your many wapun. In your bunu, the one see your man, see or no get make trouble for nothing. No. Are you getting me, my people? So I always called you Asaboro. It's a way yeki. Saboro a trouble now. Not anybody who always say what about married or who say, Ojeke one of Belgium. Walk here and see where Ashawo liquid, ye do baby Belgium. In Asaboro, where they go with Tota. In our year, Oviashawo or Belgium in Asuoko yo. In Asuoko yo, when I will not carry yeki, he who couple, la who couple no carry in. In our where a woman coming or coming, Yasaboro Mune. Mohia Abdota Saboro of the half of your mother. Why did I do that, Asaboro? Did you think I want to do that saga to earn money for my page? No. Good evening, my darling. Good evening, everyone. I did it because I don't want you to stress yourself. I just want where if I understand the leg anyway. Ojekia oh no see wefi saga no roto. Oh no see wefi. She want to drag you. That was the reason I did that for you. No me na saga. Me ye me biene. Me muejene. Otitigi no ke kan where you na here ekin. Iyege no ye buni ma ye be we dagbo mo salobo ye be we me at least. Emi buni me be unu we na Asaboro ma be wagbon because e dokpa ma we be sagbon. I always try to, advise you. Even when you bring this issue. No na where to do go of your mom. Imare de beggar. Okay? Imare de beggar. When people send it to me, where Mama Yage ni Asaboro ma we o bueno. I called you. I remember that day was on Friday. Inati we got one Asaboro. Even me a video no here. Boy we can of your mom. What's it? What's your mom? Una we o bueno no me na. Uma so ni Asaboro. Let me tell you something. Oh, what on I gagijo? Oh, what on I gagijo? Of your mother, so home, especially no matter respecting Negbe. Oh, what on why again, Allah? Why I bear you? Your honey, unya, what capte, woman begging me ropa. O mother starting a strategy. Many things no one work bona. Okay, I'm a dog, who are beer, who a business, who anything, a weapon on imagine. There must be one way another. No do I strategy war. Saloma do me one favor. I use it to advise you, Asaboro, not a live video. I called you maybe 3 or 4 weeks ago. Now we don't do any video again. What's now we're working on any video? We may allow what my so why did this over? We can learn no one we no like you, no my like you. A real at our saga na Asaboro. No yet live video, mammy no more. I am telling you. I use it to advise you. Behind the same. Or see my biggest saga no murena, no rotonana. Or the name of his fake affiliate sagana. Imagine where you because I advised you already. You can't Asaboro de bemeje. Or logo make it to beg one here with saga saga because it benefit you know. Do you understand? Of your moment, maybe I hear an episode of your moment no mamma back more your moment no be period on one arm. We are when you and comment you not to a year for many years. Damn it. Oh God. Oh ma. Atosana we say Ariak Bariabe. So far, my walaro. If you're not down a bubble muero, Mateke had the leku who wish me put your down way. Good evening, my sweetheart. Good evening, my darling Vivian. You understand? I call Asaboro my people. Unubani Asaboro, Iwa be advice every Asaboro money this Asaboro ya BM. Even when it come outside on social media, Asaboro one not there. Asaboro we work when Asaboro bemo. Asaboro bemo o wa bien no momo ka we e ka be osunu no Asaboro ma bien no muri. No ma bien no muri the social media don't let you go no Asaboro na ya gba ogo mo no ga obi ma ya fefe no mi opa no we no ari e here. Justice for Asaboro. And you know or no boyfriend, you understand? Asaboro, Ibu or Devi Yekomari or say Matana no sununa. I didn't call you because I did verse. Or how will I diaba? Una we de lawa. Imana we do encourage you where you ima worry egg baby. Awa. But all Dama Asaboro, then we sena, then where you be Asaboro, where can I we Asaboro? no egbe say 24 years or 25 years in the way Asaboro. Uke abeta mame Asaboro gumani anybody no efidi egbe Asaboro. Uke atita mame gwe nu gbeke la we bona Asaboro igugbe meri ra anybody in Nigeria Asaboro. Asaboro, why can't you be strong and face your own way? Ibete when be yeke dokpa na Asaboro. Pa ye live video. Ikani buma like live video. Any responsible men like at all. Iyama like good evening, my darling. Good evening, everyone. They don't like it. Una we uzo se wote wina or delo ligbe or be ya wera Asaboro. Voice na asi wan awe comedy. So ba beg if ya gboniri uke. Baba Asaboro, he advice every year. If you go your mon Asaboro to work saga, I called her personally. Come Asaboro, good evening, my darling. Good evening, I love you too. Thank you so much. You understand? He must to advise you where Asaboro, don't do that. Asaboro, umana if you know where I do. Be a numure la wo. Ege here Asaboro, ya be a numure. My darling, good news, good evening. Happy Sunday, darling. Understand the Asaboro. Oh no, na. Uwa Asaboro toge ma wo mumia de verse. Iye ge friendship meri era enu. E call ni wo ma me no demu. Advise ni ri enu e mo kan advise wo gu yo mo ma we bokere me be ka ya la we boke we beto mama ta. Asaboro. What was the reason you joined a group of bully by lying on someone when you know this person, she's a married woman? It's possible. Oh yeah, mwebo, you don't know. Asaboro, you came outside. You said, una be de bayin Asaboro. Emi hi Asaboro. Asaboro mano gbala mamehi. Meri sagbon Asaboro, ba na era sagbon. Life today is a life. Ila wepo bena na give and the boo who have a weapon na gwa the not totally ni akan see back with a weapon na. Ena ko gbobo me yegbe. Eti we alamare eti but u take ya do ma be kenuri oni ma we no ekenu kede. Ena ko wo me kan ya gbon ni ri ogi. O se anybody no ri ni ari odogo bo egba. Ekenu na gba gagele your friend on one that time. Are you getting me? So Asaboro, yati wene dia dog. You no tie when say, but I never expected. Even when a no get call on your platform and ask you, Asaboro, a saga in Noah. You said no. I was looking at your face. Asaboro, a day I'm a very intelligent day. The new million day. Jay-Z a day. Asaboro. When you answered the no, I was looking into your eyeball. You want to lie. You said, wagwe mo pe no ke agwe ne. So kun nezi wa mo nezi mo nezi bo wa egbe nezi wa mo no ask you, where is this saga or real? You said it's real. Asaboro, you fall my hand. Asaboro, you fall a hand in me. I swear. I make a way I not call you. Asaboro, tell me the midst of the place in Unayawe saga, their own mother. Asaboro, wala diadoro we me dave evio salobo aiwu. Asaboro ya biele na Asaboro. Ezoma kan wa Asaboro ekenuriye o kekenugweri ada Asaboro. Here the phone no dia delete we me ni ka tie we. Zero goma. But the kind of people no ya deba, no ya crook. Oh, okay, now I will not call you. I don't want it to look like when I call you to advise you, maybe it will look like I come and beg on behalf of what to beg you don't or we no. I will not do that. Si mu okay, of course, nagi ba okay. Okay, no ya mwebo ya siene, but that one I confirm. You understand? Anything of this no media and anybody nagi ba bekale ne. Okay, no clear your query. Why walk Asaboro, I am hardly disappointed. Then me. Even when I call you, you agree where a Phility saga in. In my day, no. Phility saga man wow. Babo my colleague with them. If you panera many umewe, ya post me no makeki. Good evening, Madali Jojo. He said, Mama, why you no use or do paper at least? She could get one picking or paper if picking they and she gets paper to follow up. Imagine I have 1 year, my darling. You understand? Okay? Imagine I have 1 year. I read up when I know you when I'm here where maybe or man where na me where or me or more or me picking or me be. Imagine you have more every year. Dimo we beg you. That Asaboro beg you in my. But me need time I need the avance Asaboro for back. Good evening, my darling. Je poko ni je. Oko me passport in Netalo no Dutchland in Igbe Okoy. You understand? Asaboro. Ugweti mana like you. Di ifi inu ege dami. Nu mana ye bie. Yiri fun ni ti wa Asaboro. You understand? In my life, you want to like a trouble. I'm always a peacemaker. But you don't move back. Don't move again. Now we eat here. Do you understand? That was the reason I did video yesterday. Now we aro wagbelekwa. No why we have the dog give a pege who la de magwa. No. Wagbelekwa. Ni ma wo ni malele deti ma deto imalelekwa for not you. Di maybe the maseti sine. You understand? Of course, it matters no war ma we hapo me no ko no ro to we do ma we. O da fun ladia to boy ta ne go oro wagbele ladia. E mori e yo kwa makani. The same thing na eruba Asaboro no make me cry Asaboro. You fall my hand. Asaboro fall e hand me. E ko ya balo me no ti ade. Data me get sike we have lo we gbe ni ya fefe. Afọwọlọ́jú you. Asaboro, afọwọlọ́jú your body. Asaboro, you cause me pain. I was speechless. Saboro, you want to go and stay in a midst of people they are talking. They are making Saboro, you want to go and stay with those people midst. But we all get our sack Saboro. Saboro, you take it all. No matter me jack, but you look at Saboro. Now, Mudia, you can not Betty. But the joke here by native fabric, pretty sure never left your mother or walk or Makaya. Saboro. Now, Mudia, the mist. Damn me. Asaboro. All the time, imagine me not time when go over me no one if you walking. Imagine me while I with time me while I vessel we make it to the clear. Yeah, drop it for no way the delivery telephone and walking. Asaboro, you work I can. Ya mobile with Guinness, you nana ya miss or in a partner with Guinness. Asaboro, you take away a man in it. Oh God. Oh, damn me. He said you they settle message to Bonata you de settling message to read a bit. No comment anything, but just get comment here or bego. E do no mota because we respect a mako kwe. E no mota vi mana ni mo gun e. E da mo ge mago we gun. I magbe ni we je me matie we ma. E gbe message ro paroppa ye mana. We chana. E ri ma yo meme. Ya ni yukun. Esema. Good evening, Madali, Mommy Rosa. Come, Mama. Come, happy Sunday. Come. So, Erioya Aje, Madali, amazing people. You get, not be first time, not be second time, not be third time. A live Jonathan, I have a bao, we no la jano do time. It was about money de saga. E me no need, ya pia no muri. E legi gwero, e worry. O ame boy. Ona teriri. Akụkọ mụ na nwa ọsalụbụ abi we ọ be doze deyo ọmụ na be dosu no we manwe igo na ya akụkọ mụ aikwan Asaboro were la video na iketa we imata mu wa dedebe dewe we bio we me no joni gi bi egba ve ma ha mu wa we e governor bio na okpa ni bio na respi. Are you getting me? We bio etimweko mama is okay. Something is wrong somewhere. Somewhere is this not the Asaboro? I don't know. Hello, J. Hey, J. Nimo you speaker. Okay. Imo ayone.
Mama, when we are the same gear.
Eti gear. It was fear, honestly. You get why?
You get why? Justice for Asaboro.
You understand?
Very dark man.
Very dark man. Allah jama. Oruwe mume masula ba yoni nesi oruwe mume. Already very dark man. No problem.
Justice for Asaboro. Anything concerns Simon Omairo.
Send me.
from
Hi, for WhatsApp, I will call you. Is it now?
That lady nearly again, he like
Yeah, Mama, me not understand you again. This time she did the bedroom. She no be like this. So, okay, me vi me. Mutano vi me of your mommy. La go lopo. When we know go to my page. That place where information there. My number there. I beg. In case you want couple, maybe you couple. But if you don't want couple, now be say I will call you later. You understand? Are you supposed to call me, my dear? Okay, go get information there for this my page. You all go there. Make an information with if you need to now. If you need to or the Yahweh video. Understand? Now if you need there, you're not made the labalaba pints. If you need to there, go on for the shall me not call if you need.
Okay now. I even told her I had go the point. Now you know back there.
They were with me.
Mama, we proof we are one or we want proof.
I know that's that. If I got Asaboro, you know what I
I am I here what Obama yes way. Sometimes it's good method they use brain. The hot 1 May. Musa wo la fe brain we. You see where this matter can land you now. Now we may want to be able to go about I very clear. What to talk what to deal with all. What you know don't happen. Yeah, you never talked about this kind of thing before. Nothing like that. You know what? You know what? You be on me. I approve. I say prove. No, the other mommy prove. You know how to fall hand you were.
Oh.
Anyway, I don't see you. Maybe now so they will say the change person.
Yeah, of your moment when we no sunu, he may wa take a time. Ugbeso yari wona, he wa tia Asaboro. He had said the video go me wa Asaboro saga obiom Asaboro for exactly. Egeri abwe Asaboro saga ibiom if you yate we de gbege mama Felicia kagwan yate we de gbefi. You understand? Ina do tie Felicia. Iwari wona we de different de gwan na watie. You know where udi wina ogwe ye yori no wetin tie abi na Asaboro. Don't go to Nube Yadeji Nugube baby live video. They man Nugube Saga live video. Or where give no sunu no sunu Asaboro. Na ya moguma Saboro. Kala what don't look me not like you women no man like you. Understand? Asaboro Daniel. Asaboro give away Sagane. Asaboro, you were just calling left her. Asaboro when I get 2020. A gang up of saga we come out for social media. E mo bolai. Saboro na wa mo kalotu. Ugo ko no ro wodo. Ugu mu proof woro we telephone wo karo. Ugwe nezi o igwa mu nana. Saboro. Una we no give understand what wari kwe no gi. Saboro when you go say ni to yewe na. Una we gbe infinity saga. Ugori kwe no gi. Infinity saga do we mi Saboro. Infinity saga de my baba baba. Is a married man. Is a married man. He live here highlighted the way again. You understand? Saboro will disappoint me.
Mama no time no I got to go na you will be for enemy Asaboro no tiade.
Yeti Mexico Felicia. Ibia back on your yeke. I could have shopper and I made the yafi my. Yeah, well Asaboro. No tiade we beto yati me. Mama magwa Asaboro kwa. Mama magwa Asaboro kwa. Ya gwa Asaboro kwa O salo boa beg Udivie beto no tiade no tiade na we video na we. To the extent that stand like a big sister, like a mother, like a friend to Asaboro. It's every year. Yeah,
mama, you calling me no the other. One mama no calling me. Asaboro was in live video. I won't have what to you when I saw him no right.
When mama no time me, walking men no raw. When mama, we buy mama Suzy Suzy. Why?
Yeah, what is here again?
Now, would you now? No, roto Felicia. Hey, my sister. My sister. My sister, Felicia. You have to take my sister. My sister, do like this here, do. My sister, please, my sister. We are trying here together to solve the problem. The problem is the head. The problem is the head. It is the problem of across the bed.
My mama, she wants to belong to Kokobiri family. This is what happened.
Oh, Asaboro, you blow my heart. Saboro, why is it breaking? Well, why are breaking? Maybe Yati will go and laugh video now. Why are breaking my heart?
Anyway, Mama, Osaloba when Asaboro change. From now, I'm your world change. When you know, Commander, beg me on the egg.
Am I any other Saboro guy changing up? They come back in the mood, you know, how am I going to say? Mother, how am I going to say? Easy. Now we thought to beg a behalf in a quick or ladia. My own a quickly daggy maladia in my Nigeria. The leader is the leader that lead others follow. Mother study me. So, no, we. Oh, we must hear a bomb. Oh, I'm going. It's a Asaboro. Yeah, bomb in that year. Can I try that? Can somebody do that? Miss Sister, can you try a kid that lady? How can it get? Me, how can it try that? Oh, I'm going to see a Jena. Email. Bastana. The Asaboro Narose so media Saboro. A power here to tag you, Wage. Asaboro, Joa, not to tag Saboro. Yay. Again, Menana, I just Saboro, Madame. You understand? Or what Masaboro, for real, or what Masaboro. Let's be one me what could Ibabo low. Oh, man, no, wala. You didn't get him with for no, if you leave your TV. Asaboro, she's still claiming rights. Asaboro we go comment. The video we will do last about Abia you are. Now me with Asaboro night one daddy. Ije ki my we there. Or when me comment a platform in me other channel plan. He comment a platform we. He contribute yo. Ije ki egbo ma be yo. Money cannot be that kind of person no say wa azolo. E ko ya abalo me. She know you will not matter them ye. You understand? Saboro, Monica my team de where Mama, Waguga Saboro. Marco Sano here no get that time. You don't get that time. Saboro, I go call you for bad Felicia. You got you na by if you walk saga no saga of you, no saga of your moe. I call her. Now Saboro, stop.
Mama, video call why I pass Asaboro. Why we justice in it? Davio, justice in it. Davio, already justice in it. I want it because was a organi. It didn't yam with even if you day yamuma day. Organi, no, by yeki, only hero to we no walk going because you with video. Uma gave a cacatita Asaboro. Beruna a group in a trouble and I'm web me a dokia from January to December. Otamekbe. Anami ebani anwe. When Asaboro ye bano una egbe yes. Egbe be oni masumi my ladia senior. I might do we video nesi. I might do my be worry. Mother star already. Ni lao ni mani de desweni ye live video wana call. So no the of your moment make una no call how no I not call you. No Asaboro was a video me gbe ro wa ye gbe ya palo me Asaboro o be ma we say je ni mo give you it just say anything only my cousin we don't we are very fast any of me maybe that di ma dog man na igwa jo say we obi o ma be no o ma reverse me say no wonu do that api come na woro o gi me no ma ye le lo ma no gwani imeje mu sago yo da uve no imeje e kon moto me tai o ma fi hu mo na mo ona mo we latin ulu ya na Asaboro wa ya agbo no wa surprise ye o igwa bi ne siglet do no bi we kokko latin ulu eni gba aje dojo do ga Asaboro
he say
mega egeri Asaboro de
ne niekia don't say Asaboro no send down any video. Asaboro is a okay. Obuya ta nega Asaboro ma send the video ro pagian. Okay o. Isakpolo na no ya isen. La muja na madali gumeti e vie je.
Awa video wa guye mama. Awa video guye. Awa video wa guye.
Lenu wa hete Monica se. Wa mo latiane. Le na Asaboro na ota. Asaboro be nu na egbe live video. Egi na gida pa ma oge na go score free Asaboro na degije na egbe kenta dog nobody. No gi weni ti e be oni. Asaboro agi me egbe stay time in me. Iti ebi yeke. Oh, I did pepper you do. I said, oh, I want to give you.
Yeah, what poster?
What said you? Me not call if you. What said you? Thank you, thank you, thank you, my sister. Thank you, my sister.
Hey, mama.
Ni TV. Venivi lao. E mami water ne. Okay, mama tebe ti o, mama efe. We ka TV ni viene. Kale kwa la elovie. Eti ebo na Asaboro mo la wo. Mo. Bete eti ebo la wo venivi. Eti ebo ne mo la o.
La ka to aso foire.
Asaboro. Tu as fait. Le ifie Davio Asaboro Davio Asaboro. Davio efi. Adamio efi nivi. Dege na nambe ga Asaboro do we na Asaboro na bie ba ko. Ona efi nivi mami go ya de food omomo. Me mi no gbe ati we said go get no ya de mi omomo. Me mi no gbe aseti o. I know that. Who where you go get, but understand. So he no. Where so Tony I where the setting I agwa mamu ge bobe egi mure ni bi obi okan ya me atalo yo talorebu ba de so I kata be na we ya mu ekonu mure no ga mo ni ma bie.
Okay, mama. When we tell you, well, mama, no swear you now. That is why
you that is. Daviho, Asaboro, Ime wati wo bieva van. Matana, Asaboro na adeye group. Group ija egbe no na ikoke group ne. Almost of ye bonawa, de day when ya hu ebokwa. Saboro ebero no yare Nigeria. Ama wetu ya hu ebo. Iya ga itoge na we life to amwepo gbian. Iya me no logo poni ana na ya hu Asaboro mai. A blessed dominion will block you. I will block you. A blessed dominion will block you. Will block a blessed dominion. Ya open e lao.
Ya open a
blessed dominion we ask God well. Blessed dominion, my sister. Please, they say give me sister.
Blessed dominion ya ke we je na waje na Asaboro mama we be na je na we Asaboro we wa anyan we.
Saboro na ya da Saboro mabe Saboro uabe tamame gumaibe hiye de ugwe mama ioni hii Asaboro we kabi Masaboro
a relationship in an got a telephone and video call.
They say we a man the man. He say they say she not know the man. It's like all of that we drag by you when yeah. He work bojo, he where the day or the founder of the father.
Mama he does a video near a blog. You may name blog, you name to blog, or you know money in the video. Where if I like it, and no, you may have a say, Mama, or must say, and you know, you may have a say, and the day or so we came about because I never trusted her.
Well, no, if my sister, please. I have to beg you. That measure that women here. Please, my sister. That measure that women here, my sister. I don't want any. Please, my sister. Today is Sunday. I don't know the kind of language here this time. Please, my sister. My sister, oh God. Bami water. Maybe better. Maybe better. What is a problem? I said they mentioned that women name here. Maybe better. You have to get me, sister. You have to get today is Sunday. I don't want to say to me. Hey, what is your problem?
The people say they talk and way be. My own lovely sister Yeki and Loleka no Fulu.
Oh, lao. Eti ebono marok mola.
So many years.
Say.
Mama, I can talk. So no you talk. I mean, if you're people now.
No. It's just that this video is not a saga video. I want to know. Asaboro, Asaboro back when you
no, you spring back. Who walk man it? I'm here.
on the senia, on the say, go call him Mama Efe, go call him Mama Efe. You wait, wait, where would it be?
Mama, I drop a call.
But 80 boy, and see I'm more now. Yeah, what also will buy Rooney here. My sister, you have to take it. My sister, please, I'm a Christian. I got a check today, Sandy. Please, my sister. I don't want any cause he may play for because I'm a Christian. My husband is a deacon. I'm evangelist.
Listen, I suppose your goddaughter.
Asaboro is my sister. It's my dating. I have that Asaboro for the maiden. That is the problem. I don't know the kind of DNA Asaboro have for the member because it's abducted child to me. That is the problem I have now. Emona adopt him back, but me I can't do it with that daughter. I be cool, my boy. Yeah, woman, if you don't be here, that is one thing. Or for copy, sir. Or for copy, for copy. Oh, say la, hey, please, my sister. I'm a Christian, my sister, please. My sister, please, my sister. Oh, na hamu baby, it's no work, but I very my sister, please listen, my sister. I'm a Christian. Today is Sunday, please. My husband is a deacon and I'm a evangelist. Please, my sister, respect that part. Because if my pastor hear this that you are saying, my pastor is a very big problem, my sister. Please. Come here, mama, failure. Mama, badly. If you my people, Asaboro way, or if you my what I don't say, my boro. You love it, you know. Ibi akba, ya make everyone. Oh God, Jebe will go to Yefi. Hey, I did say this. I'm a Christian. I cover myself by my platform with the name of the blood of Jesus. Oh, this children. And when I adopted them, I don't want to hear about me. You're very difficult. Come, mama. I happy send the meme. Hey, it's Kennedy. Help, everything is free. Come on, anybody speaker.
Hello, happy Sunday, everybody.
Happy Sunday, Mama Yopi. Come, Mama. We are here, Bana. Hey, dear, what behalf of hey, the thing is that apology you have to come from her. That we will not see where we. Me ma be tie ni o wa da me break heart me ma tie.
La wo mama, la break for because na asunu. When there is something going on that we don't know. Mama ni no sunu. For Asaboro to be saying no this is not Asaboro we know. Asaboro who me. He ubasama we saga ge eu. He mai. I don't know yet it me mai. He mai gwegwa. I was like, what is going on? Maybe so Yaki was talking about it. So I was confused when asking Mosunu. Oh, yeah, maybe I was Asaboro one.
It matter that here, because Asaboro have already break my heart. You can't take call and I will know. At this just sister who he go no carry really ladiana ikedo gwegwa because that was the reason. If the video ni maybe will know that it must win but he doge abebi no fly see where ye babu ni ya how can you threaten okonoro what of when dey go why will you say that
which is not right
that is that listen mama you see what I did yesterday a live video na mama get my yana dalao e bo yana ave ji abwe o ga ya saga egbe but I do beg anywhere it damage a lot of people life already you understand medically or damage life of people when you say many things you know which you understand it's not nice. Okay, the dad organ emani ya tiebo emani bugiri pepo go my boy imu you get megi gebe ne ya tiega ifu enoke na college enoke na no we Asaboro I hope it's a saga or we no we saga or we feel it saga very kwenogi look at my said there the king la was said there again. What the way Asaboro was, you know why imagine oh cano oh Syria kai da. Men are confused. But when I look into Asaboro eyes, Asaboro was lying on someone where you know that thing is not true. On a normal saga. Ugu veri over for no what that for a year passport what I see Morocco. Or man what that for a year passport is a Morocco no go go way. Uwe when we was a kind of go score free very honey. But maybe in a case of apology never no way. You understand? Understand? All see a life you don't know mama wash me. Before get seven no work with mama. In a woman no got a boy say in a cow me. On a limit in the one set. You set it where any of it a social media. Nina near one era. You a day aquania, you make back when they go making your root there, a social media to Azuseka. For what? For what? Or got to a point in Ogaria social media where every now where Banner can get a belly bomber, I'll see a bigger web. I will call it a day. Here you go. Oh my better don't be stupid. Yeah. This is just so painful. So understand? And someone comes to you and one in that claim me when you're affiliate saga. Because of that name or tree where be they know him. The picture of an Asaboro real Janu give my bag. We want to see the person that fraud your quekos. Because this is Article 7,500 objection overruled. This is frauding of quekos. No more because at this judgment a quekos in it was fraud. It's a fraudly. And a kedana bieze pekusina keke woman we a fake affiliate sagani a center of the European Union Brussels mana biezoni. We will biezoni. Phility Saga is a married man, mama. Oh, man, Asaboro here by the type, you know, baby. Where when any Phility Saga, who are when why can we every man up Asaboro? If Phility Saga said there is Saturday you came a lot of do. Oviere teteri kikini. Eki oviere kwa oviere o mabe na ba luekie is Phility Saga. Justice for Eki Phility Saga. For another person to use that take care on behalf of the Phility Saga. Objection overruled. Asaboro break my heart. He break my heart. Eh? Asaboro, when you are doing something, listen, Asaboro, before I see you like a sister or not that. Mabeko, listen, Asaboro, my name is you service, but what you understand? Because you waiting a ragbon. We are doing back in the donor. No. Okay, then for example, a woman, I mean, when I can rag a banner, I can do my one to tag Asaboro. We go to really get one. Who can like
because me kwejo e ma me kwe no ma to tell me ma oyo me gbe yi kwe so me like e va ka yo ma be gbe because aka ene we pe kusu ye o ma exist for years so saga ya saga but enu we do ta we
mama when we not that but data Asaboro wala dia ke kabani iye ke ya ona wa iye ke na saga ona to reply mama listen ona is another different case for Asaboro Timmy de we ba beg go betting am we Paul at live video we na see gbe le ganke dede ni ado use bring WhatsApp Asaboro ya no water eva ya liga gbe no your platform we no we ever we me no my be able Asaboro you see the one we never do me no my be Asaboro na me give me atabu Asaboro no ya be no mu ki Asaboro we aje wo aja mere ke ga Asaboro wo aja mere ke ga Asaboro mu deni na gbe lo pepe mama did you know that no I'm annoyed no mama equal pretend in your time in the ya fa Asaboro vi yeke mama. If you go saga go your mom feti, I call her na Asaboro stop. Kala godo ne Asaboro lawe nu bie mure ne. Do your mom wo hu makedo so ho yo hu. Asa na ya gbo your mom no responsible member vi yeke ku. You never say please my sister say go bring that baby for me before you just say it. That is what I tell this girl. Ya igwafo ne Asaboro na we edede ni water na Asaboro o that be Asaboro ye fe ya gbako yo o de magbede ge gbele o ije gbe ne gbeji hin bo Asaboro eri awa Asaboro cause eri abe dede ya gbo ma ije gbe ne gbe sin ujo ipe eri awa Asaboro if no sure na uni very bad eh
agbako no rogo do oge o ma no ma tin I work in no ma re I work no ma right I work
I will be you only Iye kina wa we video wa gwe. Did you know one day where a dog baggy roll? Or one we video na Asaboro met the woman go gane Asaboro gigi that video. Or mama go Asaboro na the lad yeti we saga. I money come go na wona na tina Asaboro.
And water, yes.
Or it's even an in Mama, why didn't bet Asaboro be yeke? In a tea yeke na Asaboro. E we saga my loving water and stand your more. Ibe advice and on we say mommy. Na ya be no mugumi. Or we are here. Now we try by all miss. Try. Bien no muri. Ubi o momo webo. Ukokotene. Uzige school no kbane. Uzige school no ku. Uriye ba nera, uriye ba neju. Hobe keke no we bi okpa. Ha we to guri e kian gwegwe na bi afilo won we. Come on live there. Oma. So far no come on live there okpa no gafe. Agwe to ge eminu di otori yin. Ja bien no. Ye italo fo na Asaboro we dede na nezebo na. E Asaboro ti neba.
Mama la
ogi me. E kuka ja jogi mama Asaboro ogi abi ye ki afu togi mama edue. Yari lo to. Yabi ye ki e wogi ane. Mi ado wogi me. Uda e si finish Asaboro egeni take time. Ifu egeni yanwe na ya avasa Asaboro. O kana we ru di ma ye bogun ye kwa for that support. E me si sebere. Wait a with yezebo me oma. I keep it. No problem. Wala ro. Come mama. All right. Domo sir. Father General. I respect you, sir. I salute you. Happy Sunday, me sige daddy. Hey, you do me live. Me yeri. Me take away. Say anybody that will disturb us not a married net life. A guy person, I will go and report that person to my his sisters. Me next life me walk back way. O ma no mu bojo ebe pata. O so no kagele amugbo mani. Me talking me working me online. It's got to be truth. But they are only laughing normal. Is that the mama? Next life. I'm going to take her. He say it be like how she really fuck up. You me is coming. Network you very. The day was a big year. No, we are this year. Try to call it with a network. I bet it will be for we phone. Network, emergency. So that is that. Okay? Yeah? Man, Asaboro even said that Yeki, I only may have a boyfriend, which is very bad. Saboro, even the people that really love you, they was really angry. Where they did not Saboro boss when Ojenai. Asaboro when I have a group uni, even no kuniari ne boam gbia. You know how I ever where. Asaboro disappointed me. Anyway, let me see what is going to happen next. I never know. He said, He said, they do saga with lie. I don't understand. And this time around, do you know that people don't really like doing saga with lie again because when something is too on the grave, you know, appropriate action will be taken. Move on. That just it. Okay? So I was really, to me, I am highly disappointed in Asaboro that, or where even with people, the first person they got when they no keep like their son where Asaboro of information we ya verify a wrong person no Infinity Saga a platform no get nakati no we na okay a problem is let's see what is going to happen be my Asaboro gbe mi la dia nesi o my do we video nesi o my but Asaboro Asaboro I am telling you my dear you really as for me you break my heart because brother that you are calling it here when not come no yes it's one on you didn't know everything they talking at tea. You didn't. Let me call go make me where you down on the nigga idea it's with Diana. Ew, o malady. A malady. Yeah. Are for make the formation of by no pamere baru yoni yati we no be vane. He say where all these people wait they happy Hannah. Are the formation you want me no pa no pa wonu ri la wo mo. Are the formation when she they talk I know say na I know say now, and I know my iyeki. Wow, I give me iyeki, but me ma be iyeki because here go we ready with baby. What's it bonny? You understand? So, no, I don't want this video to be too long. You might don't want to call you, but I cannot call that person because he met him well Latin. You understand? So, Asaboro, you really break my heart, honestly speaking, because he might here will be yeke. You understand? But I got me get baby only. Imana mo boa no ma David live video na Asaboro. Una ario boba Emma because me boom no wishing no salo boa no. You still have a long way to go, my sister. Because weapona. Eriosi o ma digi on saloba no la agogo nege me webo se ma digi anybody no get a weapon na mana careful I so sorrow I dey ma saba no ki ma ebe mani ni we mana iye you get me so anything
you've got mail
so
you've got mail
you can meeting I did laugh with you, my darling. It didn't laugh with you. I did laugh with you. So that is it. Okay? So I don't want to be too long. You say make the swear. That kind juju. With the swear for or both for man. Of course, I want to buy okay. Okay, I tell you about Asaboro don't post long writing. What did he write? Imagine my darling. Let me not post. Okay, so I have to call it today because on the answer. Okay, my people. So that is it. Asaboro, you break my heart. I don't want this video to be too long. A live video gave it on another bar on my own. Okay, I go score free. It doesn't work that way. You get me? So that is it. So I have to call it today, my darling, amazing people. This video is a video I did to Asaboro. Asaboro break my heart. And that is very bad. I take my time to advise Asaboro. We know Asaboro. Another thing on the way, justice for your pecos. Asaboro, a picture one, not go where we don't have a line. A picture on a picture on a dian. Maybe interested in picture on Asaboro. If you have the person that claim he is affiliated saga, if you have the person, according to what you said, even when you are doing the saga, where Ujigo where we are as said your man, Asaboro manuma. Go and bring his picture. We go to where as said your who they say me now gear. Okay? See so why we working? You understand? Okay? Hello. Okpoko DJ. A glass when I want like you said this here glass is very beautiful. You have to send this glass to me, my sister. I should put in the speaker.
Hello, Mama.
We are here, my sister. We are listening.
Good evening.
Good evening. Fine evening, my sister. Well, we're good evening. Actually, we're good evening. We're fine evening.
I don't greet. Okay. Asaboro, I try to see one of our video with the coach. You see that lady. Don't be said it was okay. What did she do? She don't know what she do. If you now look and she not do okay. Really, to be frank and sincere, the Timo Infinity Saga really break our hearts. So that when she can't talk, Mama. No be only Asaboro de, but Asaboro can put her head, can't talk and come out.
I swear to God who made me. Esaga karotone. Esaga me dojone. Me waga Asaboro wa ru live video. When I work with Kusi wa guwe. Asaboro when I will live video.
No be Asaboro supposed to talk, but they say they won't make Asaboro say she will fit talking because she don't fit the inya the yeki.
Oh money.
So when she knows she not be only she. How many of the way it tough made they follow doing all of the inya the way for yeki. Asaboro when I'm where they. Asaboro ya way ye ga.
Yeah.
Only they happy. Mama, you told them how she needs.
Obi give me desoro. Iwabi tie wabi avance. Ti bate me nana. Why God told me. I don't know why. Why God told me because I don't just know. It was Asaboro.
This is okay. She won't come out. She want just for a few times. She want go do something. All of a sudden, this thing just come.
Hey, Monica Makpa the live video re. Okay, I take care of something. We are only son. The nyash that is going to be nyashing everywhere. You get your only sanity. You know what? My sister, listen. Because any other way, yeah, to Sagari, because said that dog get bigger yepo. My time, me 10,000 euro, a bari yepo, Iyeki awa woni signing it. All not figure on the sunny be. In a way where we take consideration. If I think that nation that is going to be working with that consideration, I will go on my way. I will go and do have a little bit in my nyash also, so that everything will be nyash. So that everything will be nyashiphobia.
I'll the benyash.
No, I know the benyash. And Iyaki kekpa. They had a message here. A message in it. A general message in all the love us. Ogi money and negbe. Ni wish a good luck. La we yeki. Wa never. Wa kiakpa la oda mi fi oyekpo. Vi nyase so yekpo re. Ami eneki mau. Ba manage. Ebi na ya vi nyase ni gike be gori. Ya ge ma me be gba ticket over Nigeria. Ni ya wo ge 5,000 euro ya wo ge ya me ge 1 billion. Igbo na kwa sie jo me. La ho. Ambassador, you want to ambassador for nothing. Ambassador when is sunny, we have to nyash it together. We all of us. Amata. My sister, I give baby, don't give me boy when I also say, Emago get to Namia again, Denny. Bayeki now walk it. Ekeni Mamiana, Kena, oh, now walk it, or what figure your husband. In Article 7,500 objection overruled. May I walk him and no jack when I beg you? Who does it? Yeah, if I walk over the neighbor like TikTok, who does it? My sister, nobody did it. Hey, we don't let that we mess. That we make we go there. Yes, I'll be shaking it in my head. In this era. Oh, Fiekere, where worry and never near if you're you never do Fiekere, but where can be money made that wait to secret. You understand? We had to attest secret. What do I take secret in again? My Gatala, the Madisco. Yeah, I fear Fitiana. A sweet activity, why do you show? Baba Yadopa. Bay me sissy.
You've got mail.
My sister, let us say, Jetty. I have another thing the way I hate it. Everybody have the way on it, you know. You understand? But Okpanefano, a boy a year later.